When you search for roof racks for your 4Runner, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy photos. But to really find the right one that fits your needs, you've got to look a little deeper. Product number 1: Weize Heavy Duty Roof Rack. First up is the Weize Heavy Duty Roof Rack. Priced at $169.99, this rugged rooftop cargo carrier caught my eye for its solid construction and extra storage capacity. If you want to maximize your 4Runner storage while keeping everything secure, this is worth a serious look. It can hold up to 200 pounds of gear, which means you can pack your camping equipment, luggage, or even a kayak without worrying about weight limits. Plus, it comes with useful accessories like tie-down straps and a waterproof cargo bag, ensuring your items stay dry and secure during your travels. The heavy-duty steel construction means it's built to last, and the powder-coated finish helps resist rust and corrosion. With a solid 4.4-star rating from 1,700 reviews, many users have praised its durability and ease of use. Now, some people complained about the lack of foldability, which can be a hassle if you're short on garage space. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a sturdy, no-nonsense rack that can hold a lot, this is not a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you often take trips with lots of gear. Skip this one if you need something more compact for city driving. At this price, it definitely offers great value for the storage it provides. Now, if the Weize's bulkiness concerns you, the next option might be more suited for your needs. Product number 2: Tyong Roof Rack Crossbars. Next, we have the Tyong Lockable Roof Rack Crossbars, priced at $89.99. This one grabbed my attention because it's designed specifically for the Toyota 4Runner, ensuring a perfect fit. If you want reliable crossbars that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. The Tyong crossbars support up to 300 pounds, making them ideal for carrying larger items like kayaks or ladders. The heavy-duty aluminum construction is not only lightweight but also corrosion-resistant, which is essential for those rainy days. The added metal lock system offers anti-theft protection, giving you peace of mind when you leave your gear on the roof. The design minimizes wind noise, which is a blessing on long drives. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 474 reviews, many users have appreciated the ease of installation and the tight fit. Now, some users have mentioned that the installation instructions could be clearer. But here's the thing, if you're comfortable following basic directions, you should be able to get it on without too much hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a secure and durable option for your 4Runner. Skip this one if you need something that can hold more than 300 pounds. For the price, it delivers solid value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more capacity. Product number 3: Arksen Roof Rack Basket. Next up is the Arksen 64x39 Roof Rack Basket, priced at $151.96. This caught my eye due to its heavy-duty steel construction and large capacity. If you want a versatile rack that can handle bulky loads, this is worth a serious look. The Arksen basket can support up to 150 pounds and is designed for SUVs and pickup trucks. It features an integrated wind fairing to reduce noise and drag, which is great if you plan on traveling long distances. The high-strength steel frame is coated to resist rust, ensuring it holds up against the elements. It even comes with U-bolts that fit crossbars up to 1.38 thick, making it a flexible option for various setups. Boasting a 4.6-star rating with over 2,800 reviews, buyers appreciate its stability and ease of use. Now, some users found the basket a bit cumbersome to mount if they have limited experience with roof racks. But honestly, once you get it set up, it's a solid choice for carrying all sorts of gear. This is perfect for you if you need extra space for camping or road trips. Skip this if you're looking for a compact solution. For its price and durability, it's a great investment. Now, if the Arksen's mounting challenges concern you, the next product may resolve that issue. Product number 4: Kyngri Lockable Roof Rack Crossbars. Up next is the Kyngri Lockable Roof Rack Crossbars for the Toyota 4Runner, priced at $98.99. What impressed me about this model is its dedicated design for newer 4Runner models. If you want a roof rack that's made specifically for your car, this is worth a serious look. The aerodynamic design helps reduce wind noise, making for a quieter ride. Plus, the upgraded metal lock mechanism deters theft, which is a big plus. Installation is straightforward and the included tools make it hassle-free. Rated 4.7 stars by 417 users, many appreciate the sturdy build and fit. Now, a few users reported that the brackets can be a bit tricky to adjust. This is perfect for you if you have a 2025 or 2026 4Runner and want something tailored for it. Skip this if you are looking for a universal fit. For the price, it's a solid option that gives you peace of mind. Alright, that brings us to our last product, which is another excellent choice for those needing a reliable roof rack option. Product number 5, Wonderdriver Roof Rack Crossbars. Finally, we have the Wonderdriver Lockable Roof Rack Crossbars, also compatible with the 4Runner from 2010 to 2024, priced at $89.99. I was drawn to its unique features and solid build quality. If you're after something that balances quality and affordability, this is worth a serious look. The high-quality plastic supports are designed to resist deformation, ensuring they stay in shape over time. The aerodynamic profile reduces wind noise, which is a huge plus for anyone who loves road trips. With a great rating of 4.6 stars from 258 reviews, many users appreciate the quietness and stability it provides. However, some users mentioned that the installation instructions could be improved. But honestly, if you take your time, you should be able to get it up without any major headaches. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly yet reliable roof rack. Skip this if you need something more heavy-duty. For what you get, it's a fantastic deal. To wrap it up, we've covered some solid options. The Weize heavy-duty roof rack for extra storage, the Tyong and Kingri crossbars for vehicle-specific fits, the Arksen basket for versatility, and the Wonderdriver for budget-conscious buyers. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your lifestyle best before making a decision.